When it comes to trade and tariffs, things could have gone a lot worse for Australia. For starters, here are some of the countries that recently signed trade deals with Donald Trump before the 1st of August deadline, and it led to their tariff rates coming right down. Australia isn't one of them, yet it still managed to get the same low rate of 10% that UK negotiators had to work hard to secure. It probably helps that Australia buys a lot more from the US than they buy from us. So according to Trump's simple worldview, America is winning. Australia has had a long-standing trade deficit with the US, except for the first few months of this year, when Australia briefly earned more from America than it spent on us. Essentially, it's because Trump's decision to start trade wars against the rest of the world led to the gold price spiking to record highs and more nervous people buying up gold, which is one of Australia's major exports. But it's in a trade deficit with America once again, so he's not holding that against us, for now. Speaking of which, the price of gold has risen to almost $3,300 an ounce, which is not quite a record, but still pretty close, while oil and iron ore prices are down. Meanwhile, it was quite a dreary day for the All Ords and ASX, which fell 0.9%, with shares of banks, healthcare and tech companies suffering heavy losses. And it wasn't such a great day for markets overseas either, but the Kospi copped it the worst, with an almost 4% drop due to the South Korean government's plans to increase corporate tax there. And finally, the Aussie dollar was steady at 64.3 US cents, though it's still down 2% over the past week on growing expectations the Reserve Bank is finally ready to cut rates in just over a week and a half. And that's finance.